In this video, I will show you several date functions in Microsoft Excel. Here we have a table showing employee details of a company XYZ. And in the column G, we have date of joining of each employee, and in column H, date of retirement of each employee. Let's find out the number of years each employee has spent at this particular company. And for that, we'll put in is equal date of retirement minus date of joining, enter, and the number of days between these two days comes out to be 9,368. Let's convert them into years. Let's put in parentheses around this formula and divide it by 365. Enter, and there you go. So this is actually the number of the years this particular employee that is carrying an ID A90 has spent at this particular company. Just double click on this little square at the right bottom and it would be copied down to each cell, and there you can see it. So these are the number of years each employee has spent at this company. Suppose we are interested to separate the months of each employee from this data, then what we would do, we'll use month function is equal month serial number. So let's put in this serial number, enter, and there we are. So it's actually the February 10th when this particular employee joined the company. Let's drag it down to copy the formula to the rest of the cells. Likewise, we can use the same idea for the years as well. Is equal years, tab, joining date, enter, and you can see the year has been extracted from this particular date. And let's double click this little square to copy the formula down to the rest of the cells. And in the same way, you can extract the day from this particular date as well. Let me show you. Is equal day, this is the serial number, enter, and there we are. Drag it, and this is actually the day when these employees joined the company. Suppose you are interested to find out the exact day, that is whether it was Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday when this employee joined the company. How would you find it? For that, simply we need to put in text function is equal text tab, and this is going to be our value, comma, double quotes, put in DD 4 times, close the double quotes, enter, and there you go. Now simply drag it down. And how cool that is, that when these employees joined, these were actually the days when they got into the service. And similarly, we can calculate months and year as well. Let me do it quickly. Is equal text tab value. This is the value, comma, double quotes, for month, put M 4 times, again double quotes, enter, and there you go. Again double click on this square, and as for year, we have already calculated it over here. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.